Let's head to the courts now where favourites Gaynstead High will play Denbigh High and Norman Manley will face Jose Marti in Friday's semi-finals of the INSPORTS Challenge Cup Netball competition at the Leila Robinson Courts. The matchups were sealed in the final round of preliminary games. Two unbeaten teams went up against each other, with Gaynstead proving too much for Norman Manley, beating them at 39-27. The game was competitive for most of the first half, with the teams trading shots. Gaynstead, however, moved up a gear in the third quarter to lead at 27-21 before scoring at 12 points to Norman Manley's 6 in the final quarter to secure a comfortable win. Coach of Gaynstead High, Dalton Hinds, now has his eyes set on the semi-final against the Winston Nevers-coached Denbigh High.
They are well coached, and so we can't make any prediction on any of these teams. Again, it's going to be a good game between the both teams. Two very good teams in terms of skills, and two good coaches, and so we definitely know that it's going to be a good game. I think the team that really stick to their structures in terms of application, execution, is a team that is going to come out victorious.
In the other final round, Zone A games, the improving Merle Grove beat Vauxhall 22-19, and Camperdown, they beat Airdate High 28-10.